declutter our house. Has an offer and the appraisal was yesterday. So if everything goes as planned, we'll probably be moving out within like a month, I'm guessing. And when you're trying to downsize an entire house to an RV, it's going to take a month to go through all this junk, especially when you have two little ones. And my husband's just not going to go through it. I'm sorry, but he's just not. If it were up to him, he'd just leave it all and walk away. But we paid for all this stuff. So I'm going to try to go through it and sell some stuff to get some money so that we can buy the stuff needed for the RV, because we do need things for it. Like Saber's bed won't fit, so we got to find a smaller bed for him. And, you know, bedspreads, we need a mattress for there because it's an RV size. It's not a king size bed like we have. So anyway, day one of declutter. My goal today is to get through my bedroom. We'll see. I have 4 kids here right now because my nieces are hanging out. And we'll just see if I get through that or not. But here's the bedroom. I'm going to show you guys how this goes, okay? Because I have so much of everything that I don't even use. Like, I'm staring at my hats right now. I have like 20 hats and I've worn one of them in the past 5 years. So why? Why do I have all this stuff? Here it goes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. You get to keep 2 hats. You have 3 in your pile already. 4.
These are keeping.
All 4?
This is staying on the road. This is staying on the road. This.
You know, you've never wore any of these hats in the 3 years we lived here. It's hard to part with stuff, huh?
This is my hunting hats. I gotta put these in my hunting bag.
Kentucky
hat we just need to burn.
I'm picking 2. I'm gonna go with Soul Fit. Gotta go with Soul Fit. And I'm gonna go with this one. Look how cool. It's interchangeable. You just take off the sticker and you have a whole new hat. You put a new sticker on. So I have like 30 hats in one. Okay, talk about hats. Look at my scarves. Like seriously, they're like piled underneath each other, and I've probably wore 2 of these this year. So bye-bye scarves. Okay, I'm tackling shoes next. And I honestly probably have double this amount because I have 2 more shoe bins in this house. I used to be like a fashion queen before I had kids. And now, I seriously don't even, like, get myself ready anymore. Yes, Saber! So, I'm going to try to keep... You think I can narrow it down to 5 pair of shoes out of, like, 100? Okay, I gotta go see what this kid needs. But that's my goal. Okay, I'm tackling shoes next. And I honestly probably have double this amount because I have 2 more shoe bins in this house. I used to be, like, a fashion queen before I had kids. And now, I seriously don't even, like, get myself ready anymore. Yes, Saber! So, I'm going to try to keep... You think I can narrow it down to 5 pair of shoes out of, like, 100? Okay, I gotta go see what this kid needs. But that's my goal. Seriously sad. Look how cute these were. And since I had a baby, none of my shoes fit anymore. Okay, I tried really hard to get it down to 5 pair, but I actually still have 1, 2, 3... 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 pair. But look at all these that I'm getting rid of. That's like 20 pair. And I still have to go through the other bins of shoes. This is ridiculous. How do we literally get this much stuff? Look how cute those are, but they don't even fit my feet anymore now that I've had a baby. It's ridiculous. But I feel like this is a necessity right here. Because look, you need rain boots when you're camping. You need snow boots. You need some cute boots. Flip-flops don't really even count because I need different pairs of flip-flops. And I need tennis shoes. So I'm feeling pretty good about this. What's up, guys? This is our life right now. We have an empty house. A crazy life. We're all sleeping on the floor. Isn't that right, Elbel? Elbel, can you say hello? Elbel. We pretty much have emptied our house out. And hopefully tomorrow we will move into the camper. We closed on our house. Got that money. And the RV journey is about to begin, right, Tim? It's so weird. We have an empty house. And tonight we're sleeping on a air mattress. You ready to move into the camper tomorrow?
Yeah.
You ready to go to the beach?
Yeah.
Or the mountains?
The
The camper. Okay, where do you want to take the camper?
To the park.
To the beach or the mountains?
The mountains.
The mountains?
Yeah.
I thought you said yesterday the mountains were going to be scary and you wanted the beach. Mommy wants the beach. Boys want mountains?
Yeah.
Girls want beaches. So if you cannot tell, I am exhausted, but it's our first night sleeping in our motorhome. We have enough furniture moved out of our house. I slept on the air mattress last night. It was horrible. We have a nice bed in here, so I was like, let's just sleep in here. So both of the kids are asleep in there. Let me see. You probably can't tell through here, but I'll see if I can show you. Saber's never slept on a cot, and he was like halfway hanging off. That's gonna be the death of me, those darn dogs. The dogs bark every time there's a loud noise. So this should be interesting for camping, because if they wake up my babies, they're gonna be in trouble. But look, we got it. We got it almost there. We put the table down so the dogs can sleep there tonight. We're almost there, right, babe?
Yep.
Got my little coffee area set up for the morning so I can have my quiet time. Okay, we gotta go to bed. Good night. Okay, it's time for a life update. We're sitting in an almost empty house. We have to move out today. We are, how do you feel, Ellie? Exhausted? Yes, yes. Exhausted? Look at that smile. She's still happy though. We are exhausted. Completely exhausted. We have been, you know, it's one thing when you move like from one house to another because you just take the stuff to the next house, but it's a whole other thing when you move into an RV because you have to get rid of the whole house because none of it fits, does it, Elle? So we've been going through every single drawer, nook and cranny and closet. I mean, wait till I show y'all. This is one bag for Goodwill. Look how tall this bag is. I have 6 of those, all clothes. Like, why do we have so much clothes that just sets? Look, she don't wear clothes. Who needs clothes, right, Elpo? Just sets in a closet, like, and accumulates. So we went from 4 closets, and we have a tiny house already, but 4 closets to like 4 drawers. So we got rid of a lot, needless to say. But we haven't really had any help because everybody has their own life going on. So we've tried to move our whole house with 2 babies and just us 2, and it's been really hard, hasn't it, Elle? But we're excited. I'm very excited. We are gonna, hopefully, the plan is to leave in the next week. We have to go park at his parents' for a week while he does a little bit more to the motorhome, like some final things to get it ready. Then we're gonna hit the road. So other than exhausted, how do we feel? Because everyone's asking, like, how do you feel? Are you nervous? Are you excited? Are you worried? I don't really worry a lot. I'm not really like a worrisome person. I don't really get nervous either. If I ever get nervous, it's right before. So if I am gonna get nervous, it'll happen like as we're driving away. But I am very excited because like life has just been, the last 5 years has just been a rut. So we're really excited for something new. The only feeling I do have that's kind of negative is I feel a little bit of guilt. And that's only honestly because it's been placed on me. I've had a lot of close people say, like, I can't believe you're going to take your kids away from family. I can't believe you're going to just uproot your kids. I've had people flat out tell us it's stupid. Everybody has an opinion, right? And so it's easy to let those opinions get to you and make me feel a little bit guilty. Like, I was sitting in Saber's empty room, and I'm like, oh, is he going to be okay? Like, Am I doing the wrong thing? And that's only because people make us feel that way. How do you feel, Lucas? Let's get his opinion.
About what?
About this RV trip.
We're crazy.
Are you nervous?
Yeah.
Are you excited?
Yeah.
What are you nervous about?
Like everything. Like who takes an RV trip with 2 kids and 2 dogs and doesn't have anything planned out? Like, but that's the fun of it, I guess. So that's the nervous part.
Are you sad at all?
No. Yeah, I'm real sad. I'm sad. Not really. I mean, we can always come back. So,
We can always come back. This
so
is true.
who knows? But
Do you think we will ever come back?
no.
Time for honesty. He does not think we will ever come back. I think, we talked about this today, I don't know if we'll ever move back to Indiana. I think we'll keep a motorhome. It's funny. We'll see where we are a year from now looking back on these videos. I think we'll keep a motorhome and eventually like buy a piece of land here and like run some water and electric to it and come at least spend the summers here or something, since this is where family is. Let the kiddos come hang out with their cousins. Who knows? We may find a beach that we love or a mountain that we love and want to stay there most of the time. That's kind of what I think. We'll come back a couple months out of the year, but I don't know. We'll see. We have no clue what we're doing with our life. But anyway, back to the whole, so the only sad feeling I have is just like that feeling of guilt. But I really don't feel guilty when I think about it, because all the people that are telling me that it's a horrible decision, thank you, are people that have never did it before. And that's usually how it goes. People that have never did something are going to tell you all of their opinion. But when I talk to the people that have did it, that are doing it right now with their children, they're like, it's the most amazing thing in the world, the greatest opportunity for our children. So anyone who's telling you that, you're taken away from your children are clueless, because it's going to be the most amazing opportunity that your children will ever get. And lucky for us, or unlucky for us, I don't know, our kids are too little to remember this anyway. They're not going to remember it. They're just going to have videos. So if it does traumatize them, they're not going to remember it. But if it is the most amazing thing ever, which I think it will be, they're not going to remember it either. So that just means we'll have to do it again when they're old enough to remember. But anyway, that's how I feel. I feel a mix of emotions, only because people have kind of made me feel guilty. But other than that, I'm just super excited. We're so ready for a change. Adventure has always, always, always been in both of our hearts. I think the military kind of instilled that in us when we traveled all the time. The beach has been in my heart like since we left the beach 5 years ago when we got out of the Navy. So I can't wait to see the beach. And we've never seen out west, so we're super excited. Right, Elmo? Now we gotta go get baby puke off of us because it's everywhere. Bye, guys. Oh, and we gotta finish moving out of our house in like 2 hours. So enough talking, time to keep moving. Say bye-bye, Al. Here we go. Goodbye, house on Hall's Corner Road. We are on our motorhome journey. Oh my gosh, what an exhausting day. The kids are asleep in the back. It's almost dark. An exhausting month, I should say. There goes Lucas in the motorhome. We're driving it to his parents to park there for a week while we finish everything up. Our life is literally in trash bags in the rest of the van because I ran out of time to get through the house before the new movers moved in. So, we catch up to the motorhome. Here goes the journey.